Beautiful Nixie Lake here at the park. Grand views here. Exploring out here by Lake Louisa. In 1910, John and Louise Driggers Hammond settled most of the land surrounding Lake Louisa. The homestead included a family home, turpentine still, sawmill, shingle mill, a combination school and church, commissary, workers' cabin, and cooperage. The family exported their goods by way of steamboats and barges across Lake Louisa. Now, there was a railroad line that once went through this area, and it's interesting, this bridge here crosses over this creek. You can see where part of an old rail is. It's repurposed in order to help make this bridge. It's a reminder of the history in this area. Walking into the wilderness here at Lake Louisa State Park. Beautiful place. Lots of nature, history to discover and learn about. Walking along this nice boardwalk here in the swamps, and there's some interpretive signs here describing the green swamp matrix. The cypress swamp you see before you is one of many wetland systems found within the green swamp matrix. This river system is located between Tampa and Orlando, and its swamp drainage forms the headwaters of the Withlacoochee, Hillsborough, Ocklawaha, and Peace River watersheds. Green swamp has a diversity of natural communities such as bay swamps, cypress swamps, sand hills, and pine flatwoods. Its upland habitat serves as a primary recharge area for the Florida aquifer. So this is a very sensitive, important area of Florida. There's a parking area here for the lake. Boardwalk that leads down to the beach. Nice area to take a swim and enjoy the scenic nature here. Lake is just out that way in the beach. Interesting monument here at the beach, at the lake. Sadly, Lieutenant Gilmore crashed here in this lake in his P-51B Mustang in November of 1944 during a training accident. Lieutenant Gilmore and thousands of other military aviators trained throughout Central Florida during World War II. And this monument here is in honor of his memory. Dean R. Gilmore. Now, in the early 2000s, there was a severe drought here in Florida. Many lakes dried up, including this one here. That's how those remains, that plane wreckage, was discovered. Beautiful lake here. Opens right up. Nice fresh air, sunshine, cool breeze flowing through the area. Really peaceful here.